boy Jeremiah Molina, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, and we are here at Disney's California Adventure during Pixar Fest.
Talking to? I don't see anybody.
The whole new world. It's right there. You see it?
No.
It's right there.
I don't see
Hi, everybody. Pixar Pier is separated into 4 distinct neighborhoods, which are all themed after our favorite Pixar movies. You got Incredibles Park, the Toy Story Boardwalk, and the Pixar Promenade, which is centered around the Fun Wheel / Pixar Pal-Around. There's also an inside-out playground area coming. However, at the time of this recording, it's still under construction. One of my favorite things about Pixar Pier is how they incorporate references and elements from not just their movies, but also their short films. Think of them kind of like Easter eggs. Speaking of Easter eggs, Pixar Pier wouldn't be Pixar without the famous Luxo Ball. I wonder if it'll be like the hidden Mickey for Pixar Fest. The Pixar celebration isn't only limited to Pixar Pier, however. You can even get a taste, sometimes literally, of the festivities at Disneyland and in downtown Disney. Anyways, back to Pixar Pier.
Be sure to check out. Tell them when, man.
Alright, here we go. First ride on the Incredicoaster. Here we go, AJ. Yeah! See you guys on the other side.
Edna, keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Dash, go get it.
Head back, face forward, and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! tremendous captain. It was so fun. Sorry, I got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable. Yeah, Mom. Super babies.
Alright, let's see our picture.
Alright, you guys, there's only one real way to describe just that whole Incredicoaster experience.
That was totally wicked!
Oh man, that was awesome! You get to see all the Incredibles like on the ride. Oh man, it was so cool! I hope you enjoyed this like walkthrough of the new Pixar Pier, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and make sure you follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the links below. And of course, keep dreaming and keep believing. See you guys!